In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Phantom wallet to Blockmesh. By following these steps, you will successfully link your wallet for seamless transactions and interactions on the Blockmesh platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Blockmesh website and press enter. After the page loads completely, you should see the Blockmesh homepage displayed in front of you. Next, locate the button labeled Connect Wallet on the homepage. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on Connect Wallet to proceed to the wallet connection options. After you click on Connect Wallet, a list of compatible wallets will appear on the screen. From this list, find and select Phantom Wallet for the connection indicates that you want to use your Phantom wallet for the connection. Once you select Phantom, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to interact with your Phantom wallet. Ensure that your Phantom wallet extension is installed and active in your browser for this step to work correctly. In the pop-up, you will see a list of accounts associated with your Phantom wallet. Review the accounts and select the one you wish to use for connecting to Blockmesh. This selection is crucial as it determines which account will interact with the platform. After selecting your account, look for the Connect button within the pop-up window. Click on Connect to finalize the connection process. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your wallet has been successfully connected to Blockmesh. Be aware that if your internet connection is slow, the wallet connection may take longer to complete. Ensure you have a stable connection for the best experience. Additionally, verify that you have enough storage space in your Phantom wallet to accommodate any transactions you may wish to perform on Blockmesh. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.